Most people don't leave home planning to get stranded on the side of the road, but every single day, thousands of drivers end up exactly there. Not because their car failed without warning, but because they ignored the warnings their car was giving them for weeks. Today I'm going to walk you through the most critical warning signs that tell you your car is about to leave you stranded. My name is Rex Torque, and paying attention to these could save you from a very bad day. Warning sign number 1 is the temperature gauge. Your car's temperature gauge should sit right in the middle during normal operation. If that needle starts climbing toward the red zone, that is your car telling you the engine is overheating. Do not keep driving. Pull over immediately and let the engine cool down. Driving an overheating engine even for 5 extra minutes can cause catastrophic damage. We're talking warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, and repair bills that can exceed $3,000. If your temperature gauge is climbing, turn off the air conditioning immediately as that reduces engine load. If it keeps climbing, pull over. No meeting, no appointment is worth an engine replacement. Warning sign number 2 is a grinding or squealing sound when you brake. Your brakes have built-in wear indicators. They are literally designed to make a squealing noise when your brake pads are getting low. That squealing is not an annoyance. It is a deliberate warning system telling you your pads need to be replaced soon. If you ignore the squealing, it eventually turns into a grinding sound. That grinding means metal is now contacting metal. Your rotors are being destroyed every time you brake. What would have been a $200 brake pad replacement is now a $500 brake and rotor replacement. And more importantly, your stopping distance is increasing every single day you wait. Warning sign number 3 is any fluid puddle under your car. If you consistently see a puddle under your car where you park, that is not normal. A clear water puddle near the front is usually just air conditioning condensation and is completely normal. A brown or black oily puddle is engine oil and needs attention. A reddish puddle is transmission fluid or power steering fluid. A bright green or orange puddle is coolant and is serious. Any non-water fluid leak needs to be diagnosed quickly. Small leaks become big leaks and big leaks become breakdowns. Warning sign number 4 is the battery light. When your battery light comes on while driving, it does not necessarily mean your battery is dead. It usually means your alternator is not properly charging the battery while the engine runs. If you keep driving with the battery light on, you are running purely off battery power. And when that battery drains, your car will simply stop in the middle of traffic, on the highway, wherever you happen to be. The battery light is one of the most ignored warning lights on the dashboard. Don't be that person. Here's the bottom line. Your car communicates with you constantly. Warning lights, unusual sounds, fluid leaks, and gauge readings are all your car's way of asking for help before something gets serious. The cost of ignoring these warnings is always higher than the cost of addressing them early. I'm Rex Torque. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And hit subscribe because next week we're covering more of the things your car wishes you knew.